In this tutorial, we'll walk through the SellSeva Orders page. This page is designed to help sellers understand what sold, where the sale was detected, what happened across each marketplace, and what still needs attention before the order is fully handled. At the top of the page, you can see the sync status. SellSeva checks connected sources like email, marketplace activity, and the browser extension. If you need the latest information right away, you can use Sync Now to refresh the page. The first major section is the Sale Detection Tracker. This tracker shows every sale SellSeva has detected recently. It helps answer 3 important questions: what sold, where did it sell, and what did SellSeva do after detecting the sale? The summary boxes give you a quick view of the system status. Detection means SellSeva found a sale. Protected means the sale has already been handled across marketplaces. Needs action means one or more marketplace outcomes still need review, follow-up, or completion. On the left side of the tracker, each sale appears as a record. You can see the item image, title, order ID, where it sold, when it was detected, and whether attention is needed. When you select a sale, the right side opens the full sale record. At the top, SellSeva shows the item, the marketplace where it sold, the quantity sold, and whether any inventory remains. This helps you quickly understand the sale before taking action. The proof timeline explains how SellSeva reached its result. First, the sale is detected. Then, SellSeva matches it to an inventory record. After that, it begins delisting or checking the related listings on other marketplaces. This timeline is useful because it gives sellers a clear chain of evidence. You are not just seeing an alert. You are seeing how the system found the sale and what it did next. The Marketplace Outcomes panel shows the status of each connected marketplace. One marketplace may show "Sold here." Another may be queued for delisting. Another may still be checking. Some may already be delisted, and some may show that no sister listing was found. This is especially important for cross-listed sellers. When one item sells on one marketplace, the risk is that the same item may still be live somewhere else. SellSeva helps track that risk and shows what still needs to be cleaned up. Some marketplaces may require assisted delisting. In those cases, SellSeva gives you a guided task. You may need to open the marketplace, remove or archive the listing manually, then return to SellSeva and mark the task resolved. The action buttons help you move from review to resolution. View Order opens the marketplace order. Check Open Tasks shows what still needs attention. Recheck refreshes the marketplace outcome. Mark Resolved closes a manual step after you complete it. Now let's move down to the main order system. Below the sale tracker is the full order list. This is where SellSeva turns detected sales into working order records. The Order Views tabs let you quickly switch between different types of orders. You can view all orders, orders awaiting shipment, orders in transit, delivered orders, shipping issues, and canceled orders. This makes the page useful for daily operations. Instead of searching through everything manually, you can jump straight to the orders that need action. You can also search by order number, buyer name, or item. You can filter by marketplace and sort the list, which helps when you are looking for one buyer, one product, or one platform's orders. Each order row gives you the key details at a glance. You can see the item, buyer name, location, order ID, marketplace, sale time, current status, tracking number, and financial summary. The sold, net, and cost values help you understand the order without opening another page. The status badges show what is happening operationally. An order may be awaiting shipment, already delivered, close to a ship-by deadline, under review, or showing a shipping issue like return to sender. These badges are meant to help you spot the most important work quickly. For example, a refund request, return movement, or shipping deadline should be reviewed before a normal, completed order. The buttons on the right are the Order Action Center. Open takes you to the marketplace order. Contact Buyer helps with buyer communication. Review is used when the order needs seller attention. Details opens the full order record, and the 3-dot menu gives you more order options. So the orders page is not just a list of sales. It is the working area for tracking, reviewing, shipping, communicating, and resolving orders after SellSeva detects them. By using the sale detection tracker at the top and the order records below, sellers can understand the full life cycle of an order. They can see what's sold, confirm how SellSeva detected it, check what happened across each marketplace, and then manage the actual order through shipment, delivery, review, or resolution. The goal is simple. Every sale should become a clear order record. Every cross-listed item should be protected from overselling, and every seller should know exactly what still needs attention.